Y'all see this? This used to be a gym. Well, I guess it still is. But they've been out of business for over a month now. And looks like Petco is still hanging in here. Yeah, they're still open. And look, this place already went out of business. They already went out of business. Then we have Bed Bath & Beyond. You see what they got hanging up there? Store closing. Store closing. Guess they're going out of business too. She was looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm sitting here filming and she's trying to get around me. She just revved her engine real high, tearing up her own car just because she didn't want to wait. Store closing. And they've already checked out. Let's see what else. Oh my God, all these businesses are going out of business. That's crazy. Face values, they're gone. They're all packed up. Let's see if Old Navy is open. I don't know. Old Navy's not in there. They're closed up too. But it still looks like they're operating for business. Look what I see. A fellow window cleaning company, and it looks like they're still working. They do power washing and a whole bunch of other stuff. Let's go talk to them. Look, they got that big old Unger 30-inch pole. I do not miss that thing at all. That sucker was heavy. That's the big boy too. That's the real big boy. When you have that sucker all the way extended, man, that thing is limpy like a banana, man. It flops like a banana peel, man. That thing is flimsy all the way extended, but I've learned to use it like that. So having a carbon fiber pole, I should just get jiggy with it then. I guess they're inside shopping, so I'll have to either wait for them to come out or just forget about it. It would be nice to talk with them, don't y'all think? Just to see what they're up to. Hey, all right. I saw y'all sitting over here. I'm familiar with y'all company. I'm talking to a couple of your other guys that work for the company. I was just curious as during this time, how are y'all coming along? Yeah. Oh, y'all still working?
A little bit.
Not as much, right?
Oh yeah, definitely not.
Yeah, I'm the same thing with me. I clean windows too.
Okay.
So I do a lot of storefronts and commercial and residential too when it calls for it. But I was just curious to see how you guys are getting on with that. Did y'all lay off any workers?
We did, so yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Are you working today?
Just picking up stuff for the project. So,
Oh no, but you're not doing no power washing.
today, no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down to like 3 hours a week. It's ridiculous, man.
It's crazy, dude.
But I'm blessed to at least have that. You know, that's a couple $100 a week.
Yeah.
And then I got called for 2 houses yesterday, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I get to make $300 tomorrow. So, well, as long as it don't rain, because they talking about rain. But what's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Jordan. How long you been with the company?
Number of years now. 5, 6 years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Have you been cleaning before you started working with them? They taught you?
They taught me, yeah.
Yeah. So what exactly do they have you doing? Just window cleaner or power washing or everything?
I'm doing a little bit of both now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
I do. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool. I actually like my job too. Unfortunately, not something I said I wanted to do when I got out of high school. You know what I mean? Who graduates high school and say, I want to clean windows and do power washing? But I just realized, it's actually therapeutic for me.
Yeah.
I actually get some kind of enjoyment watching something come clean, No one else wants to be bothered with it except for us. That's why they pay us the big bucks. All right, take care. All right, stay safe. Jordan, he seems like a nice guy. Well, I gotta tell you, they must allow him to take the truck home because the project he work that he looks like he's working on looks like a personal project to me. But I don't mean to put anyone on the spot, but they're not working today. Work slowed down considerably for them, and this is what we have to look forward to right now. And it's up to us to make the best of it while we have all this extra time on our hands. So why not do something a little constructive? See that little bodega over there? So I came by the other day and they actually closed. Now I just went to throw something in the dumpster over there, and I saw the owner come out the back door. I thought they were open until I went around the corner and saw the gate halfway down. So Dietz and Watson pulls up. I guess they get their meats, because they make hoagies and stuff. I guess they get their meats delivered from Dietz and Watson. But I sat there and watched the driver get out, go up under the gate, open up that front door, and he came right back out immediately, got back in his truck, and just pulled off. So these owners that own these, that have distributors bringing stuff to them, they need to communicate with them, because apparently no one told him not to come. And he had to find out the hard way. And I'm pretty certain that he's came across quite a few within the last month that actually canceled without calling and showing up. See, the company's going to lose money because of that, because they still had to pay that guy to drive to deliver the stuff. So what money that they would have made off of that one driver delivering the goods is no longer in the picture, at least from this one. So when some of you out there who clean windows like I do, don't be selfish and only be concerned about your job. Everyone's feeling the brunt of this, including necessity stores like mom and pop stores. They can't afford to stay open. They only want like 4 or 5 people in at a time, and that alone is enough to make people turn around and not want to wait. They want to just walk and get their stuff and leave. So social distancing actually all in itself may help protect people, but it's also contributing to slowing your business down as well. So the next time you're being inconsiderate about your own self and worried about your own self, someone got it worse than you, if not the same, worse than you. So when someone asks you for help and you deny them, this you're not creating a positive outlook on life for yourself as the way the universe demands it. This a loving and kind universe, and all types of life are here, and we need to act like we're all one instead of none, because collectively we could change the world. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. Bam!